Hey, today's video is about how I, Grace Ronke Adegoke, a perimenopausal woman at 40 something now, 50 something, how I damaged my knee and got it fixed, but cancel my knee replacement surgery. So if you like to know how I did this, stay tuned. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to my channel yet again. I'm Grace Ronke Adegoke, and today I'm talking about collagen. This is in response to a program that we recently had with the Lifestyle Champion, an NGO based in Nigeria, talking about arthritis, how common it has become amongst people, and of course I shared my experience how collagen has helped me to regain strength on my knee. So which collagen should I choose? That is the question. As with everything else in the market, there are so many to choose from. But if I don't tell you anything today, the main thing I'd like you to get out of this video is you can make your own collagen. That is one to choose from. Okay, so when you make it, you know what's in it. That's a fact. So what is collagen? That is the next question. Collagen is just protein. They are amino acids. They are the most abundant protein in our body. They're already in our skin, our hair, everywhere. Okay, so and what do they do? And what does collagen do, or amino acid or protein? Let's call it that for now. In basic biology, you know protein are the building blocks of the body. Okay, so building blocks are, if you got to build the house, you got to have blocks, you know, something to gel them together to give you the structure that you need. Okay, so what does collagen do? It gives our skin, our joint, some strength to hold all of our cells together. As you know, every part of our body, every organ, your skin is an organ. They also have cells. Cells make up tissue, tissue make up organ, you know. So your collagen gives strength to your skin, your joint, and to hold all of the cells together and tissues together. So for example, let's look at somebody who doesn't have enough protein or amino acid in their system. Let's say a child who is malnourished, what is called protein energy malnutrition. In those days, I can just see kids in pediatric wards when I was training with protein energy malnutrition. You see their muscle wasting away. You see they lack energy. They can't get up. They can't even walk at the age they are when they're supposed to be running around like their mates. So because the building blocks or building block is not present within their body to give it structure and hold it together. Okay, so another function of collagen is this. As I said, they're already present in our skin. Check your skin integrity. You see it bounces back, and that is the elasticity. So your collagen contributes to the maintenance of your skin elasticity, and which again can enhance beauty and hopefully reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Raise your eyebrow and see if there's any wrinkles. I haven't had Botox, honestly. I haven't. It's just nature. Anyway, so it helps to decrease wrinkles and of course fight against the visible signs of aging, which wrinkle is one of them, sagging skin and stuff like that. So, and another thing is as I said before, as a building block, in my personal story, I was in the middle of a Tai Chi class, as you do in fitness. I go to all kinds of classes, yoga, Pilates. So on this particular day, I was in a Tai Chi class, and I just stooped down, as you do in Tai Chi. And unfortunately, I couldn't come back up. But I struggled, and I came back up. I should probably have asked for help, for somebody to help me up. So I came up, and I just damaged my knee. Something just went. I could hear it just instantly. Pain kicked in, swelling kicked in. I had to have keyhole surgery to clean it all out, and they couldn't do repair. They just have to clean it out. So from there on, I'm the heels for my knee. And of course, as a menopausal woman, you might say, oh, what is she talking about? I'm 51. Okay, so already estrogen drying up in the body, and it makes your joints to be kind of dried up as well. Your fluids that lubricate your joints are not as present as they were before, or in abundance. So your estrogen, when you're pregnant, let me go back to midwifery for a bit. When you're pregnant, you have what we call relaxing effect of the hormones on your joints, your ligaments. Sometimes some women might say, oh, my hips hurts. That's because you got an influx of the hormones. In plenty, your hormones are plenty, especially your progesterone or progesterone. It relaxes your ligament. Is the opposite happens when you are perimenopausal. You don't have enough of that hormone to relax anything anymore, so it dries up. And imagine when you have a cartilage, maybe apology to vegetarians or vegan watching this, if you have a cartilage from something you've eaten and you put it in your plate and you leave it, maybe chicken dinner or something like that, you put it in the plate and it dries up because it's not in any liquid, so it dries up and it can easily crack. You can actually see the crack in the cartilage, and that's what happens when your hormones are drying up, especially for menopausal or perimenopausal women. Okay, so in my case, I already bought some collagen maybe a couple of years before I damaged my knee. I was in the as you do when you travel and you're waiting for your flight. I was in Singapore and I was in the airport, so I looked through all of their beauty products and things and just nourishing my system. That's my thing. So, and I pick up a collagen bottle, something like this. So I thought, oh, that's nice for the skin, for the hair, and everything else in between. So I bought my first one. So I'll take it every now and then whenever I remember, but I wasn't taking it every day, And when I had damage to my knee, it wasn't long after that a very, very serious degree of arthritis also set in, and I had to see orthopedics, who booked me for a surgery. And I already had pre-op assessments and everything ready for rehabilitation, equipment placed and everything else. Unfortunately, I kept researching as a nutritionist and a clinician, and also I had fitness on my side. It's something I've always aspired to keep on top of, and I thought there must be something I can do, because I was still very young to have a knee replacement. I still am, even right now, and I'm talking about 3 years ago. So, but the orthopedics had to book me in because the pain and all of the problem I had was affecting my quality of life. And of course, it means if they give me a knee replacement, it will be another issue. Maybe 20 years down the line, they might need to do it again. So they don't always want to do it for younger people. But I didn't have any option. I'm sharing this so you know where I've come from or how far I have come from. I was ready for the up, and at the same time I kept searching and researching, and I came across a research of a doctor in America who said his patients were canceling their operation after taking collagen for about 2 to 3 months. And I'm like, oh wow, that's amazing. I rushed down to my cupboards and I took out my collagen, which is already in view anyway. I just had to be taking it every day, and believe you me, none of this is promotional, or no, I don't have any stake in any company, to be honest. I'm just going to tell you what is what in regards to collagen and my personal experience, which I'm testimony of. That's my name. I've done my yoga today. I declined the surgery. Sometimes play lawn tennis when the weather permits. Long walks. You know, I'm not saying I'm totally cured, but from having knee replacement to having nothing and still living and thriving, you know, all to the glory of God. Amen. So I started taking the collagen every day, and of course I got better and better and better and better. So here I am, and when I finished the one I had, so I had to research on collagen itself, which type to take. So there are different types. Collagen is basically in abundance in joints. You know, when you, again, apology to vegetarian or vegan watching this video, I'm just trying to explain what collagen is, because I have to explain this because you might not be able to get vegan collagen. That's the truth. It exists within animal product. And I've got this array of products here. None of them is my brand. And I'm not taking any money from anybody. I'm just telling you what's what. So your collagen can be from your chicken, from your pork, from marine, that's fish. So let me just start from where I'm at. The first one I bought actually was this, because this is a non-GMO family-owned business supporting small businesses as well, and also they are 100% gluten-free, wheat-free, soy-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, everything free from range, and that's what I do, free from. So this is a bovine collagen. Bovine means pork. So if you don't eat pork for one reason or the other, this is not the one for you. Okay, that's number one. Two, I have these as tablets. It's a tablet capsules. I finished this one. I keep this at my bedside when I open my eyes, and sometimes, you know, rushing out or, you know, coming down to make a drink or whatever, I just take one of these with cold drink that I have there. So if I forget to mix this later on, I'm already taking one of these. And one of these, you can take two, but I take one. So I have the option of having another one from this. So this is also marine, but this has got vitamin E, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. Okay, so in this one. And also another one is the Multi-Collagen Protein. If you're listening to some specialists in the area of collagen, I'm not a specialist by any means. Okay, so I've educated myself in this area, and I think I know enough to say what I'm saying. So some specialists claim that you need a bit of this, a bit of that, and that, and that in different types of collagen to give you the overall benefits that we're talking about. But I was just taking this when I got better, just that. So I thought, okay, might as well, you know, have a look at other types and see what they can offer me. So multi-collagen, and this one is derived from chicken, wild caught fish. Okay, and also grass-fed bovine and eggshell membrane. This one. So there is seafood here, whitefish, eggshell, grass-fed pork, chicken as well. So this is kind of supporting sustainability as a product and you know, giving you quality, if you like. Okay, so that's another one. And what people don't know is that your regular ice cream and jelly without the ice cream is also collagen. Okay, so this let me just, you know, bring it close to the camera. This is a leaf gelatin. Anywhere you hear the word gelatin, it's talking about collagen. You know, when you parboil your meat or your chicken and has bone in it, and you let the broth sit, and it thickens up like a jelly and it wobbles like that, almost like the jelly with the ice cream jelly. That's the gelatin in the bones, in the joints of the meat or chicken or fish, fish bone, fish heads. They're very, very rich in the collagen. In fact, I have a video already on how to make collagen. Have a look in my playlist, or as you're watching on my channel, you have a look and see collagen, how to make collagen. Okay, so leaf gelatin, you might as well make this regularly as well. You can take some of this to thicken your soup, you know, so, or make a cup of soup and then drop a bit of this in it. You got some collagen in there. And be mindful of all kinds of brands in the supermarket. As I said, I have no stake in any company. This one is 100% gelatin. Okay, now this one, the first ingredient is the fructose syrup. Okay, it's got some gelatin in it and some other thickeners and stuff. And this, okay, let's put that together. It says red quick jelly twin pack. Just add fruit, sugar, water, and you know, blah blah blah. The bottom line is this is supposed to be a vegan gelatin or collagen. Unfortunately, there is no gelatin in it because gelatin is only, or collagen is only available in animal products. So this is not gelatin. Okay, you can make a jelly out of it, but it's not going to give you collagen because the main ingredient in here is sugar and modified starch, cornstarch, and some xanthan gums and some other flavorings and you know, gelling agents in that one. Okay, so I've only selected a few so I can show you what collagen is, where you can get collagen from, what does it do, how it has helped me on my journey. If you have arthritis or aches and pains around your joints, swelling and stuff, go and seek the advice of your doctor. And on top of whatever they recommend, I think collagen can help you too. Because as I said earlier on, collagen are like building blocks. They increase your muscle mass. You know, for instance, if you have weakness on your joint here, your knee joint, and the muscle here, your quadricep, is weak, so you literally have no support for here. Okay, so and if you're not using your muscles, you don't have enough strength to use your muscles, you lose your muscles. So use it or lose it. That is the thing with the muscles. But collagen will help to build your muscle mass. It will help to strengthen your joints, you know, almost like a cement glowing building together. And that's what collagen does. I'm just going to make some so you can see how easy it is to make. It doesn't have to be this particular brand. I selected this brand for those reasons why I said before, and of course they have good reviews online, and that's why I selected them. So the dose or the instruction, it says 2 level scoop per day, you know, so you can put 2 in there. As I said, I sometimes take one of these before I even come downstairs. So assuming I've taken one dose from there, I can just take half of the recommended dose or take two, you know, as they have recommended it. Okay, so there is one scoop in the cup. Boil the kettle, put some in. Okay, just water, just ordinary water, or in your coffee, your green tea, or your tea, your regular tea. You can put it in cold or hot or warm. It's not going to destroy it, and it's good for your gut health as well, because part of what you get from the collagen nourishes your gut as well. So mix it, let it dissolve. There we go, look at that, and just drink it. And something about collagen is this: I gave somebody, well, I've shared my recipe to a lot of people, to be honest, and one particular sister of mine had a problem. She couldn't even get out of bed. So on a Saturday afternoon, I said, buy this ingredient, well, they're on my video for how to make collagen anyway, and make the collagen. I literally gave her instruction. I didn't even write anything down. Gave her instruction. She understand what I'm on about. Bought the ingredients. The following day, because she was desperate, she made the collagen, started drinking it. I said, pack them like portion sizes. After you've made them, you know, put them in your freezer and just take one portion out at a time in your cup, like a cup of soup. Stick it in your microwave or warm it up and drink it every day. And she's been doing that within 2 weeks. A remarkable difference. She's not even taking any anti-inflammatory or anything, and she can run around and do her own thing now. Okay, so that's what you can get from collagen. And just mix it. It's already mixed. Look at that color. Okay, it looks like broth, doesn't it? And that's what it is. Okay, all right, so I'm going to drink this now. You see how easy, and it tastes like there is sea salt in it. It's good. This is purely natural. It just tastes like broth, basically. And if you mix it with something else, good. Okay, so this is not everything you need for your joints, but this is the main thing that has helped me on this journey. I didn't even have to take joint supplement. I was just taking this, you know, and of course, getting up and walking, strengthening the muscles, weight bearing exercises, which are also very key, because you need to use those muscles. And as I said at the beginning, the reason why I'm doing this video is to address the questions that people have been asking about which collagen should I choose, you know, as a follow-up or follow-on from the arthritis webinar of the Lifestyle Champion. So thank you for watching, and if you've watched to the end, it's only a 20-minute video, so I appreciate you. And please don't forget, go and watch the how to make the collagen. If you find this useful and you want to make your own, or you can't even get it where you are, maybe you can't get one to buy and you are desperate to have some collagen in your system. So thanks for watching yet again. I'm Grace Ronke Adegoke. Have a wonderful day. Mwah. Goodbye.